Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel for Nurses Preparation. I am Neeraj Kumar Kathal. Today we are presenting 10 important points from the topic vaccination. Let's begin our today's video. First point. First vaccine is invented by the person whose name was Edward Jenner. This vaccine is for the cure of smallpox disease. Point number 2. Walk-in cold room used at regional level. Point number 3. In 1974, World Health Organization launched expanded program on immunization. Point number 4. In India, in the year 1985, Universal Immunization Program was launched. Point number 5. Smallpox eradication. From India, it was declared smallpox free in the year 1977. Smallpox eradicated world declared at the date 8 May 1980. Point number 6. BCG vaccine is used against the tuberculosis disease and it is given at birth. BCG's full form is Bacillus calmette-guerin. DPT vaccine is used against the treatment of diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. It is given at 6, 10 and 14 weeks of age. Measles vaccine is given at 9 months of age. Point number 7. Live viral vaccines do not administer in child with symptomatic HIV infection due to immunosuppression. A child who is suffering with HIV/AIDS disease, his immunity or immune power is reduced. Due to this reason, if we administer live viral vaccine in this child, it can be harmful for him. So do not administer live viral vaccines in a person who is having HIV infection. Few examples of live viral vaccines included OPV and measles. Now let's talk about the examples of live vaccines. Live bacterial vaccines are BCG and typhoid oral. Live viral vaccines are OPV, yellow fever, measles, rubella, mumps and influenza. Remember, oral polio vaccine is a live vaccine. It was invented by the Sabin. So sometimes it is also known as Sabin vaccine. Point number 9. Examples of killed vaccine. Examples of killed bacterial vaccines include typhoid, cholera, plague and pertussis. Examples of killed viral vaccines include rabies, Salk polio vaccine and influenza, HIV and hepatitis B. There is a second type of polio vaccine that is known as Salk polio vaccine. It is invented by the Salk. Point number 10, last point of this video is minimum interval between two doses of vaccine is 1 month or 4 weeks. If you want to administer a vaccine in a person 2 doses, you should give a time interval of 4 weeks or 1 month. So everyone, these are the all important for from the vaccination topic. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take for your revision purpose. Thank you so much for watching this complete video. Keep supporting, keep participating. All the best.